This is why we're not showing machine stuff on YouTube. It takes a long time. We got this slot, this slot, this slot, and over here we've been playing with slots for 2 days. This is the 3 in this one, and you still have the 6. Oh man, didn't want to do that. 6 in that one. So that's why we're not doing that. This is just kind of a quick, shows you how long it takes to make one of those goofy little slots. And come up to the line. These are kind of a give or take a little bit, because we have one, it's supposed to have been 2 inches from here to here, but these bars are a little bit different length, and it just doesn't make a whole lot of difference on what we're making. So it just takes time. I'm only taking down, I'm going 50 thousandths down in a cut. I have no idea what the feed rate is. But if you figure that's 6 inches that I'm cutting, actually it's 5.07 because the radius of that from center to center, I don't know what it makes out. Yeah, I think it's 5, because we're watching numbers climb, and then we want to go to 5700. So ain't this exciting, guys? We're watching paint dry again. We're over 2 minutes into this because there's a timer on the clock here. And when it gets close, I'm just going to turn it off and turn the camera off. So do me a favor, hit the like button and subscribe. And if we do any more than cutting slots today, I'll put another video on. But it's getting late. Been playing on this thing for quite a few hours now. We're at 5. I think I'm going to cut the feed off. Cut the feed off and take it in manually to the 5.7. Which, as I turn that, I guess you guys know that's turning that, moving that. So we're going to go to a little bit under 5.7, go 5.69, and then I'll do the last, I guess I cut 5.6, I want to go up to 9, and then the last one I'll do on the, I'll clean up the ends. Alright, now we'll take and give it a little of a blow off. I'm trying to do this with one hand. So now what I got to do is go down and go across it again. Go down and go across. And I'm only going down, like I said, 50 thousandths. This is a ½ inch, so you guys can figure about how long it takes to do these. So that's it for tonight. If we do any more on it, I'll do another video, but I kind of don't think it's getting late. So over and out for now. Hit the thumbs up if you're interested in seeing some more, or hit the subscribe button if you want to see some more. So over and out for now, guys. Bye.